Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I appreciate you being here, and I can tell you you're going to learn a lot from today's video. Today's video is a very simple DIY herbal tea recipe that can help you grow your hair, repair your damaged hair, and strengthen your hair strands. So my very first natural ingredient is mint. Mint is really great when it comes to stimulating blood flow to your scalp and also strengthen your hair strands. Mint smells amazing. I just love the smell of mint. If you add mint to your hair care routine, it is going to prevent hair breakages, strengthen your hair strands, and even improve the texture of your hair. My very next natural ingredient is rosemary herbs. Rosemary has been used by so many of you, and you can testify to the fact that this natural ingredient is a game changer. Rosemary can also stimulate blood flow to your scalp. It will strengthen your hair strands and prevent hair breakages as well. And here you all, you know how we do it here. But if you are new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. So this is Moringa herbs. Moringa is another powerful natural ingredient that can help with hair growth. Aside the fact that it helps promote hair growth, there are vitamins and minerals in Moringa powder that helps nourish your scalp as well as your hair strands. My next natural ingredient for today's recipe is lemongrass. Lemongrass has been underestimated. And guys, any of these natural ingredients are very easy to find. You can find these in your local grocery stores, market, or online. These ingredients are so powerful, so make sure you find them and use them. Lemongrass can prevent hair breakages. If you're someone who suffers from hair breakages, hair thinning, your hair is too weak, because of that your hair keeps shedding, add lemongrass to your hair care routine. You will come back and thank me later. So this is what we are having now. I measured about a tablespoon of each natural ingredient. There is no specific measurements. It depends on how much you are trying to make. You just put everything in a saucepan or in anything that you have, then you top it up with water. I used about 6 cups of water with this recipe. You don't need much, just a little goes a long way. After that, I'm going to put it on the stove and I'm going to let it boil, and I'll show you what I'm going to do next. So make sure you're watching every part of this video, because it is one thing to know how to prepare this powerful herbal tea, and it is another to know how to use it. So make sure you're watching every step of this video so you do not skip on all the instructions I'm going to share with you. Alright, so I'm going to allow these ingredients to boil for approximately 5 minutes. Or as soon as you see the color changes, just turn off the stove. You don't have to overboil it. Set it aside and allow it to cool down. I love how beautiful this color always turns out. This is one of my favorite DIY recipes because the smell is out of this world. I just love the smell of this DIY recipe. Once you have it like this, all you have to do is to strain it. Make sure you do a very good job with the straining because you don't want any little particles left behind. Otherwise, they are going to be stuck in your hair and it's going to be difficult to get them out. Once I have everything ready like so, it is time to add an essential oil. You don't really have to add any essential oil if you don't want to or if you don't have it. But adding essential oils to your DIY recipes adds to the benefits of any DIY recipe. Lavender essential oil has vitamins and minerals that can treat your scalp from dandruff, itchiness, bacteria, and also improve healthy hair growth. But you can use any essential oil of your choice. You can use rosemary essential oil, tea tree essential oil, just to name a few. The next ingredient I'm going to add is my Jamaican black castor oil. This is the mango and lime Jamaican black castor oil, but you can use any Jamaican black castor oil. Just reading on the bottle, you see that Jamaican black castor oil can strengthen your hair and nourish your hair. It is also going to help thicken up your hair if you use it consistently. I also added 1 capsule of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil also prevents hair breakages and also strengthens your hair strands. Once you have it all like so, you give it a good stir. You separate this in a mason jar like so, and I'm going to show you how to use it. But if you haven't given this video a thumbs up already, what are you waiting for? Please do give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to share this video. Alright, so this is an herbal tea rinse. You use this on your wash day. When you are done washing your hair, you pour this all over your hair. After that, just pat it dry with a towel. Go ahead and moisturize your hair. You can also use this every day to moisturize your hair. And don't forget to follow with a hair moisturizer. Be consistent with the use for faster result. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in my next one.